Tempted by the Titan Z graphics card, but put off by its $3,000 price tag? Want to show your console-owning friends what 4K gaming actually looks like? Well, rejoice, because AMD has unveiled the 295X2, a $1,500 graphics card that they say is the world's fastest. I'm Mark Walton, and this is a GameSpot news update. Just weeks after Nvidia announced its GTX Titan Z graphics card, AMD has unleashed the AMD Radeon R9 295X2, which costs just $1,500. It's due for release on April 21st. The liquid-cooled GPU features 5,632 stream processors, 352 texture units, 4K display support, 8 GB of GDDR5 memory, a new, sexy metal enclosure, and 11.5 teraflops of compute power. That's over 6 times the compute power of the PS4 and almost 9 times as much as the Xbox One. Early reviews are indeed confirming the card's world's fastest GPU status, particularly at high resolutions like 1440p and 4K. It's a powerful card then, but you'll need quite the rig to power it, with it running at a 500 watt minimum. It does at least run cool, with a new liquid cooling system keeping it at around 60 degrees under load. Is AMD's latest graphics card going to find a home in your gaming PC, or is $1,500 overkill? And if you do get one, will you rub your console-owning friends' noses in it? Let us know in the comments below, and for more of the latest gaming news, keep it GameSpot.